How to make someone an admin on Facebook page. Page access Facebook. To make someone an admin on your Facebook page, you must be the admin yourself first, and only you can give access to other people. So what you do is, you launch the Facebook app and log in using your page first. So here you can see I'm currently logged in using that page. Then tap the menu icon from the top right hand side to come to the menu page, followed by the gear icon from the top right hand side to come to settings and privacy. From here, just scroll down and tap on the option called Page Setup. From Page Setup, you can tap on the option called Page Access. From Page Access, you can choose one of the existing members to make them an admin to view their access. Or you can add a new people by tapping on Add New button from the top right hand side, then tap the next option, searching for the username, and in the Access tab, selecting Admin instead of like Manager or Editor. And this way you will be able to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.